happy bees, it's Amanda and today we're going to make this super easy chick together. If you're a beginner at cake decorating, this little guy would be a perfect one for you to start with. He's so easy to make and you can find links in the description for everything you need to make this at home. So let's get started. So we're going to use the bamboo skewer to create the little chick's legs and to support his body. Insert these inside your cake to the position that you want the legs to stand, and I've kept one short piece to support a leg and one long piece to support the body and the head of our chick, so that's going to be your main structure. To create little chick's feet, you're going to take 2 small balls of orange fondant, roll it into a teardrop shape and then pinch it at the bottom. And then you're going to create 2 indentations for toes. Take your bamboo skewer out and create a hole in the foot and then place it back into your cake again with the foot placed on the bottom. To create a body for your chick, take a ball of pale yellow modelling paste. As you can see, I'm slightly pinching it at the top and at the bottom. Then you're going to take a far larger ball for the head. I don't know why I like the topper's head to be so big compared to the body. I just think it makes them really cute. So you're going to just pinch this piece at the top, and that's going to be a nice kind of egg-shaped head. Now you're going to gently slide the body on top of the bamboo skewers while we get working on our little chick's facial features. Speaking of facial features, I'm not going to talk you through how I made this part of the beak because I ended up changing it later on, but I wanted to leave it in just to show you what a difference even changing the beak can make to your cake topper. So I'm just going to talk about the eyes here, which is just 2 small balls of black fondant flattened down into an oval shape. Create some eyebrows for your little chick as well by taking 2 thin pieces of light teddy bear brown fondant and place those quite a bit above the eyes. This is when I realised no, I didn't like that beak, so then I took an oval piece of orange fondant and I pinched it at either side, and then I turned up the ends, and look, I just think that's so much better. We're going to give our chick a white tummy now. Use a round oval piece of fondant and stick that on the centre of your chick's tummy. To create wings for a little chick, again, it's just going to be shaping 2 equal pieces of your modelling paste into teardrop shapes. It doesn't need to be perfect, and I'm just using a tiny little bit of water to stick these on. I don't know about you guys, but spring has to be one of my favourite seasons. I just love seeing everything in the garden start to come to life, and we live in the countryside, so that means we get to see loads of baby animals as well. Click on that link above if you want to see more spring themed tutorials. Using 2 small strips of orange fondant now to cover up those legs. You could also use orange edible paint if you prefer. Roll out 3 or 4 small strips of fondant to give your chick a little spiky hairdo. As always guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you want to become part of an amazing cake community here at Happy Bee Cakes, make sure you subscribe for more cake decorating videos. We're all about helping each other grow and learn on our cake decorating journeys together. I'll see you next week. Bye guys!